Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So I've been selling tools for a while now. Been buying and selling tools every now and then. If I can get a good enough deal and give someone else a good deal on a tool, I am. I've been downsizing. This whole thing was so full of tools before. I just started organizing and sorting through more stuff. I got a bunch of this stuff online. Some of it is, some of it's not, but some of it will go in my yard sale I'm having next week. So that's all that's going on really here with me, just doing that. Then we're gonna head to the junkyard right now, and gonna take my favorite set is this Icon 1/4 inch bit set. Not bit set, socket set I should say. SAE deep, all the bits and whatnot, screwdriver, basically everything. The only thing I need is like a pair of pliers. That's it. So we're gonna head to the junkyard and see what we can find. I'll see you guys there. All right guys, at the junkyard, looking around, found some Trailblazers and whatnot. Looking for a spare wheel though. And I might have just found my spare wheel right here. Let me see, check out. All right guys, so the only thing I found was this cup holder for my truck. I have the captain seats with the center console, and it has just like the pocket and not the cup holders. And I went to Excursion, they had these, but it was the shallow version of the cup holders, so I ended up finding these in the Super Duty. So we're gonna go home, clean this up, and change it out. All right guys, got this cup holder. It just goes right there in my truck here. $5 for it, ain't bad. Can't beat the price. So it's hot. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna stop and get something to drink first. Then we're gonna go home, clean it up, and we'll put it in there. All right guys, got this back home. We're home, and you're gonna use some of the awesome cleaner. Just soak it, let it sit and get all clean. As you can see, it's gross. Just want to do is just let it soak for a few first before we even clean it. So I'm gonna let that soak, and we'll show when it gets nice and clean. All right guys, so got it washed up. Just letting it dry right now. Got it all clean and all the stains, and just gonna go over it with a towel, like a terry towel, and dry it. And I'll show you guys how to install it. All right guys, so let me get in the truck and trying to break in these new pants. They're a little snug. So anyways, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this up, and then take whatever out of the center here, just so it doesn't fall in, whatever. And all you're gonna want to do is just go on each side and just try to pull it up, and that's all you're doing. You're just trying to pull the tab up like that. That's all you do. On the back side, there's just these two tabs that's holding it, and it, as you can see, this one's just a pouch. I don't like that, because like this is my drink, and the bigger they are, the more likely they tend to fall over, and this is wobbly. So anyways, so all you're gonna do, if you want to clean the area. It's not a big deal to me right this second, but I'll clean it. Then you're just gonna want to push in on the tabs. They have these little spikes. They go in there and they seat around. Then I'm gonna clean this up right now, but that's all you have to do. Everything clips in and you're all good. I'll show you in a second. So now I got the new piece in. It's in. That's all you have to do is just smack it down right here and here. And now I can put my big drink in here. And now look at how much, now that's so much better. Now I don't have to use a stupid pouch. It works good for all their stuff, but yeah. So thanks for watching guys. Sorry if this video is a little bit all over the place, but this is just a day in the life of what I do. I go and buy stuff, and I show you guys what I'm doing, and that's about it. Stay tuned for some more videos coming out soon. I've just been honestly burnt out of everything, to be honest with you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.